in der praktischen und einzigartigen L-Box.
What you see here is the GBH18V-EC Professional from Bosch. This cordless rotary hammer provides the power required for your daily drilling applications, and it does so without being heavy and unwieldy. Its single impact energy is 1.7 joules, and it weighs only 2.6 kilos. It therefore has the best power-to-weight ratio in its class. You can use the selector lever to switch between the drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling functions. Thanks to its efficient Bosch EC motor, it can drill up to 115 holes in concrete with only one battery charge. And it's extremely robust. Due to its flexible DuraShield housing, it remains fully functional even after being dropped from a height of 2 meters. Experience for yourself the GBH18V-EC Professional, the unsurpassed combination of power and weight. Also available in the practical, unique L-Box.